Arnab Goswami on the Debate at 9. Presented by Greenply E0.
Good evening and welcome, viewers. Day after day after day, we are demanding on the Republic Media Network that this pandemic be tackled with fierceness. We as a nation are looking for direction in face of the tsunami of cases in the second wave. And I'm sorry to say, but I have a feeling that the politicians of this country are distracted. We are waiting for a solid, coherent and uniform plan of action. Not this little bit here, little bit there, little bit occasionally. That's not going to help. We need to beat the virus. Thousands are dying on a daily basis. Our politicians are too busy holding election rallies. Our netas remember COVID only when it comes to blaming each other now and then, even the election commission. People of this country are dying, politicians are holding rallies, leading processions, encouraging crowded rallies, and they just don't give a damn. Have they washed their hands off? Are you not furious? The citizens of India are furious. Because despite all the inconvenience they have gone through, election roadshows are going on in full swing like nothing's happening. Indian citizens are angry. Because from students to office-going professionals who don't even get the vaccine, everybody's making compromises, making sacrifices. But our politicians, there is no unity among them. So tonight, we will give the plan of action. And our politicians must follow it. All they should do it is follow some of our suggestions. One, I've been saying this, please, nationwide, harsher penalties on rule breakers. On our Republic Hindi, Republic Bharat channel, we started a campaign, which is COVID ke mujrim, the culprits of COVID. Where are the harsher penalties? None. Why not? Two, I have just 3 suggestions today. Please, 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 start universal compulsory vaccination right now. Make up for the lost time. Think of the time lag. Draw it on a file. Put it on an Excel sheet. Understand now 6 to 8 weeks. Give yourself a period on both sides. If you want to be better 10 weeks from now, you have to do much more now. Suddenly, federalism becomes the norm. It's a national crisis, for God's sake. I'm sorry, Chief Ministers, but federalism is not the answer when there is a national emergency of this scale. And thirdly, stop these crowds, parties, weddings, personal celebrations, irresponsible people, markets, election rallies. Tonight, the nation is watching. Our netas need to buck up, do much more than what they are doing right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we need a COVID action plan, and that's my debate number 1 tonight. A complete, nationwide, unstoppable, implementable, executed COVID action plan. Debate number 1. Tell us whether you support the Republic Network's COVID action plan. And debate number 2 tonight. A civil war-like situation in Pakistan. An emergency in Pakistan. We have a full debate. And debate number 3 this evening. Kashmiri Pandits must return home. We have Dattatreya Hosbole of the RSS who has actually said this on record. This needs to be picked up. And we need to have all the Pandits, all of them, hundreds of thousands, everybody returning back home. And here are the headlines. Here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the debate tonight. From Rajasthan to Karnataka, netas face immense anger as COVID cases touch a new high of almost 2 lakh in a day. Judiciary intervenes on unprecedented COVID situation. The Karnataka High Court is ordering harsh penalties for violation. And the Republic Media Network leads the way in the biggest public health emergency. 5-point agenda is what the government must look at tonight. Mamata Banerjee uses COVID to attack the Election Commission, wants remaining 4 phases of elections to be clubbed. Civil war-like situation in Pakistan. Imran's favourite radical group now wants his government ousted over anti-France protests. And the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh demands rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits in the valley. Will the 32-year-old wait finally end? Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thank you for your support for our coverage, plan, ideas, suggestions and interactivity in our coverage of the second wave of the COVID crisis, which we, like you, want to see ending soonest. Ladies and gentlemen, the visuals of blatant violations of COVID protocol in Rajasthan, Andhra, Karnataka, West Bengal that we have been broadcasting today. Of course, it shows the irresponsibility of the people concerned, but it also shows, and I'm sorry if somebody thinks that this is a generalization, but I'll have to say it anyway, it also shows that our netas simply do not care. Tonight there is national anger because our netas are failing us in this phase of the COVID battle. And that is why we are seeing this alarming jump of 2 lakh cases in a day. There's no point sweetening this message. At such a time, we need a national approach to fight this emergency. Here is our Republic Media Network's 5-point demand, and then we debate.
Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Thousands stuck to each other, struggling to move. They were all participating in a New Year ritual. Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Similar scenes, no masks, forget about social distancing. Kumbh Mela, Uttarakhand. 1,701 have tested positive in 4 days at the Mela. Dausa, Rajasthan. This minister decided to hold a Kalash Yatra to mark Ambedkar Jayanti. Thousands following her, many without masks. People seated next to her dropped the mask.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि सिकराय विधानसभा क्षेत्र राजस्थान के मानचित्र में एक विकसित विधानसभा क्षेत्र के रूप में पहचाना जाए.
When politicians failed, the courts were forced to intervene. The Karnataka High Court has observed that the right to lead healthy life cannot be obstructed by a few who refuse to wear face masks. No one should be spared for violating provisions of the Emergency Act. And this is why the situation is precarious. This was Mamata Banerjee's roadshow today. Thousands in tow as it progressed. This is Dilip Ghosh's roadshow. He thanked everyone for the large turnout. He even tweeted pictures. Look at them. And this minister from Madhya Pradesh even says, people will die.
अब मरने का क्या है, उम्र हो जाती है उसको तो मरना भी पड़ता है. लोग भी छिपा रहे हैं इस बात को क्योंकि वो कहना नहीं चाहते हैं कि इस कारण से मरा है और अपने मतलब जिस प्रकार से शांत होता है चुपचाप लेके चले जाता है तो उसको उससे सरकार क्या आंकड़ा बताएगी.
Republic has been leading the coverage of India's COVID-19 battle, and we suggest a 5-point national agenda. 1. Immediately impose harsh penalties for violators of COVID protocols. 2. Urgently expand and broad-base vaccination program across India. 3. Ban congregations including religious, social and political gatherings. 4. Mass conversions of present facilities to accommodate COVID patients. 5. Vaccines compulsory for all eligible and blanket vaccinations for the youth. Because if we don't act now, these pictures will be a reminder of what the situation could be across India. Look at this. Ambulances are lining up at hospitals. There are no beds in many districts of India. And bodies are being carried in garbage vans. Are politicians failing to contain COVID pan-India? Let's debate.
So we need a plan of action. I don't know why we can't do it. This is citizen versus politician debate tonight. Guru Prakash Paswan of the BJP, Sameer Dalwai of the NCP, Manojit of the TMC, Reena Gupta of the Aam Aadmi Party, and on the other side we have Sunil Alagh, Chairman of SK Advisors, Bijon Mishra, Consumer Voice, Barnali Basak, Advocate, Ranjit Keshav, Policy Analyst, Dr. Subhash Salunke is Advisor, Government of Maharashtra on COVID. Thank you everyone. We want a COVID action plan. So let me start with you, Sunil. These are simple things. But then, sometimes politicians don't do the simple things because there's a political price to pay. And because they don't want to pay a political price, they make us citizens pay the price. So people can die, but they won't increase the fines. People can die, but they won't stop the political rallies. People can die, but they won't stop their political events. People can die, but they will still not. On a daily basis, we talk about, letting universal vaccination, they still won't do it. And then they blame each other. Like the Trinamool Congress blames the election commission for having an 8-phase election. They say the reason COVID is spreading in Bengal is because there's an election. There's no election in Maharashtra. There's no logic there. So I want to start with you. Tell me, Sunil Alagh, why can't the simple things be done? If the simple things are done, then we can stop this viral spread of the second wave.
No, you're absolutely right. As far as I'm concerned, your five-point plan, which you laid out, is very, very good. I would only like to add one thing. It's about time that they made. There are two elements which I would like to add to that. One, make the CEOs of all companies responsible for inoculating everyone in their organizations. For instance, they have factories spread all over India. All the large corporations ask the CEO to say, how many vaccines do you need? Here it is, and they will do it for free, and they will do it in the sense we penalize the chief executive if it's not done. That's one, which needs to be done straight away, and it's the simplest thing to do because all CEOs are waiting for this, and if they are given instructions, they're given the vaccines, they will do it for free. They'll call a doctor in all the factories, and they will do it. Second, as far as I'm concerned, you need to move from the center all the way to the states now, make micro organizations responsible in the sense that whether you do it nationally or whether you do it for 19 plus, you have to do, for instance, in Bombay, if Dharavi is the problem, there we say all people above 19 will come in and get inoculated. It does not have to be all Maharashtra, it does not have to be all India because perhaps we don't have the vaccines. We are importing now, with Sputnik is coming in. By June or July, there will be more there will be more vaccinations available. But till then, we need to act now. And now we should leave it to Bombay, Mumbai, Pune, where we say everyone above 19 will get vaccinated. Not all of Maharashtra. Maybe all of Bangalore. Maybe all.
No. Why do we have to nudge? No. My question is, Sunil.
Yeah.
Sunil. No. Why do we have to nudge? Why do we have to nudge?
No, the people have voted everybody.
Tell me, Guru Prakash is there, excuse me.
People into saying like if you don't
Guru Prakash,
to vote you out.
Why do we have to nudge?
All about. There's no one nudging.
No, but that's what the politicians won't do. There are more indisciplined people in the country. So, more people are indisciplined and the politicians want to play to the gallery of the indisciplined people. They want, I think, Guru, the politicians like you want to play to the gallery of the people who are indisciplined, who will not wear a mask. You are not showing the spine to take action. And we are paying the price. We are coming every night on television and telling you. Yesterday you told me it's work in motion. Between yesterday and today, more than 1,000 more people have died. And you are saying we are thinking, we are planning. You are busy with the Bengal election.
Arnabji, elections are not a prerogative of the government. Elections are prerogative of the Election Commission. Election Commission is a constitutional authority. But there are some positive facts as well. India's cumulative vaccination coverage has already exceeded 11.44 crores, over 33 lakh doses given in the last 24 hours. The recovery rate is also 88%.
No,
I
this
agree
is all.
the concern.
No, you are not. You are not.
I agree with you when you express your concern. I share the concerns with you. And let
You
me
know,
assure
I'll
that
tell you
the
one
Honorable Prime
thing.
Minister,
You are not
Arnabji,
understanding.
let me complete,
No, you
please.
are not understanding. You are not understanding. Let me explain. Let me explain the situation here. Listen to me. Randeep Guleria, at least if you don't believe me, you will believe him. He's director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. He said, and Bejonda, this is very interesting and important and scary statistic. He said that during the first wave, a patient could spread the infection to 30 to 40% of their contacts. Nowadays, this time, Dr. Randeep Guleria says it has been observed that 80 to 90% of the people who come into contact with the patient turn positive. Which means that one person can infect 9, 10, 20, many times more than during the first wave. But I have to come on television every night and tell you, please increase the fine. You will not increase the fine. You're like adamant. All you people, NCP, BJP, TMC, AAP will fight every night. Please fight among yourself on who will implement the fine first. For not wearing a double mask in crowded places. For not wearing a mask in your political rallies. And if you're going to tell me, Guru and Manojit, that I'll do it after May 2nd, I'll ask you why. How many people more will die between now and May 2nd? Or 29th, the last phase of polling in Bengal? Today is the 15th, between 29 14 days. At this average, 1,500 to 2,000 people a day, which means 30,000 people will die before you act. No, yes, Manojit. Between now and 29, 30 to 40,000 people will lose their lives at this rate minimum.
Arnab, can I come in?
No. First of all, Arnab, we are meeting the this concerns regarding to Bengal elections. We are meeting the Election Commission of India, and you have seen our Chief Minister has categorically stated we propose that the election should be over as soon as possible, maybe in the next 1 week or so. That's what, because now they can stop elections. Last 3 phases of election can be contracted to 1 phase. This can be done. This has been done earlier also. Just 100 odd seats in one single phase. That will save the time. That will also save the lives. This is not in our hands. He is conducting election in our hands.
Manojit, a counter to you. A counter to you. 1 minute. Manojit, a counter to you. A counter to you.
Yesterday only.
A counter to you. A counter to you is this, and very simple. That why was Covaxin availability in Bengal delayed by a month? You're talking about, the fact that the Election Commission is an 8-phase election. It makes no sense. There are no elections in Maharashtra.
What are you talking about? This is wrong.
Right?
No.
And I don't think the COVID virus calls up the Election Commission to get a press release and ask the Chief Election Commissioner, how many phases do you have before I decide to enter Bengal?
No. Why do you get the information from? Why do you get the information from that we have delayed the Covaxin? Covaxins are coming in numbers. In fact, in the month of February, our Chief Minister wrote a letter to the Prime Minister asking for vaccines for all, keeping in mind election. We wanted to buy it from the government of India, and we are still waiting reply for the Prime Minister.
No, but you are all politicians, you are all having these rallies, BJP or Trinamool, and I think the left parties. No, I am asking both BJP and Trinamool today. 1 minute. I am asking both.
The vaccines are
no. 1 second. Okay, Guru wants to respond. Guru.
That's because of the government of India.
No, I want both BJP and Trinamool to tell me today why you can't stop your rallies. Why your rally is so important? Why your rally is so important? Call off your rallies.
We saw
Show some social responsibility on both sides.
What is the worst? What is the?
Show some social responsibility on both sides. What do you say, Bejonda? No, I'll step out of the screen, Bejonda.
You reduce.
I'm saying stop your rallies on both sides.
Absolutely.
It's a solution.
Arnab, did anybody tell Republic to start the campaign? You started the campaign on your own. And you know, because you started the campaign, the 45 plus started getting vaccinated. It was not there. Your pitch made the government understand the seriousness of the issue. So people should not wait. Everybody needs to act now. You see, I heard one of your panel members talking about the corporates. The corporates are free to go ahead to do it. Who is stopping them? Nobody is stopping them. They should approach authorities, the state government, and tell them that we want to open a vaccinating center at my premises. They've done it in Karnataka. How could they do it in Karnataka and it can't be done in West Bengal or it can't be done in other parts of the country? That means that you are a hypocrite. You are not concerned. Everybody has to get involved. And you know that because we got involved because of Republic,
Okay, so
a pitch has got created. A pitch has got created. You have made sure that this noise reaches the policymakers. And it has reached. And now you have made a 5-point agenda. That 5-point agenda should be our mantra now.
No, but I'm, as a result, let me tell you, Bejonda, since the last 2 days, Reena, I'll tell you, all political parties across all sides are very angry with Republic. Let me tell you the other side of it. They're saying, why are you getting into it? It's our policy, our style, our way. We'll decide what happens. And we are saying no. No, and we are saying no, Barnali. We are saying no. It's not your style, not your decision. It is our life.
Exactly. And
it is our life.
That means they have no
people
value
are feeling
for us.
helpless, Barnali.
The politicians, they have no value.
Why don't you tell Reena how helpless
Educated
people
class.
feel today?
If the
I heard today,
like literates,
when the
that is the problem. It is the educated class who are behaving like illiterates. Is campaigning so important at this point of time when people are dying left, right, and center? Look at the mass gatherings here. People without masks, there's no social distancing, nothing at all. What will happen and who will take responsibility after the Bengal elections? Is anybody coming forward? Can they give any guarantee? And first and foremost, the citizens of this country should take responsibility themselves. They are made aware. Today, the program that we are telecasting in your channel, it is just an awareness program. Please wake up. People need to wake up right now. This pandemic has been going on for more than 1 year. There has been so many awareness programs. And can they afford to do election rallies like this in the open with thousands and thousands of people in the street without any protection? And even if they are wearing masks with such closeness, you think they can protect this? And nobody is willing to take responsibility. The government should ban all this. And the government should penalize people who are not following the protocols.
I am asking across the board. And please, I am requesting... I'm requesting all the politicians on all sides who are attacking me today. I need you to understand that... Manojit, allow me just to complete this, please. I need you to understand where I am coming from.
Self-flogging by
And this is
yourself.
my... This is my...
Nobody's attacking
This is
you.
my...
Nobody's
This is my...
attacking you. Nobody's attacking you. This is
can I come in now?
self-flogging.
No, 1 second. I am asking for... making a point here today.
Nobody's attacking.
I am of the belief... Just 1 minute. Reena, I am of the belief that we need to take some very drastic steps, and I feel the politicians are not taking the drastic steps. There is a bit of sidestepping and blaming each other and passing the buck going on right now, and 80,000 children.
Yeah.
Reena, and Dr. Sameer Dalwai is a pediatrician besides being the spokesperson of NCP, so he will know what I am talking about. 80,000 children, young children, kids, I know 3-year-olds who have tested positive, whose parents are really concerned. From Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, UP, Karnataka and Delhi, 80,000 test positive between March 1st and April 4th. And I'm asking, on the one side that, Reena, on the other side we are seeing these pictures of crowding. Why?
Arnab, I am not attacking you at all. I agree with all the points of your agenda. And these are exactly the things that the Delhi government led by Shri Arvind Kejriwal has been talking about. You know, we were the first ones to institute a 2,000 rupee fine on not wearing a mask in Delhi. And at that point, the Bharatiya Janata Party actually sat on a dharna saying that you're asking for too much money from poor people. So we have been taking very drastic steps, and we have been actually saying that open up the vaccination. One of the reasons why we are in such bad state is because the central government has been so distracted with elections. For one small MLA election, the whole cabinet of the country was sitting in West Bengal. And that is the reason why the whole vaccination process has been so slow. Why did we take so long to approve all the other vaccinations which were allowed all over the world, approved by the WHO? Countries like America have stockpiled double the number of vaccinations as the number of citizens that they have. And whereas we in India have been exporting vaccinations to other countries because we want to become Vishwaguru instead of making sure that we have vaccines in our own country. And I'm totally with you that all these election rallies should not have been allowed. The central government should have worked out a solution with the election commission, to do things in a different way. These are unprecedented
Reena, the BJP is responding to you.
Of course, elections are important, but
BJP is responding to you.
In this 21st century, to do elections in such a way that we don't allow this pandemic
I want to remind my friend, if you let me speak, ma'am. Ma'am, this is not Aam Aadmi Party. There is internal democracy. Everyone is allowed to speak.
Yeah.
Now, please listen to me. Your leader has spent so much money, the advertisement revenue, when the government was supposed to prepare for the pandemic, you were spending money on the revenue. It's always easy to raise a question mark on the government. Is it not your responsibility, ma'am? Is it not your responsibility? When the government is coming out with a strategy, I right now said the Prime Minister himself, the Health Minister himself is very closely monitoring the situation. For your information, ma'am, I would like to tell you that the Union Health Ministry has today only gave regulatory pathway for other vaccines as well. The government is vigilant.
Why did we wait for so long, Mr. Guru Prakash?
You need to do some introspection, ma'am. No, you need to do some introspection.
Why did we wait for so many months for these vaccines should be allowed?
The Delhi government
Why
has
did we
failed.
export so much
The government
vaccine
of
when
Delhi
our
under
own
your leadership
citizens
has
do not have
failed.
enough
Mr.
vaccine?
Arvind Kejriwal
We have
has
been
no local
requesting that
standard
you
to
allow
speak.
us to
Have some
vaccinate
morality.
everybody above
Have some
45
morality,
years,
ma'am.
and
You
we
have
will
been
finish
spending, you have been
vaccinating
wasting
the
money.
whole of Delhi in
You
3
have been
months.
wasting
We
money,
don't have enough
ma'am. You have been
vaccines in
wasting money on
India. We don't have
advertisement,
enough
on
vaccines in
doing
Delhi, and who's responsible?
on doing self-promotion. The people
Central
of Delhi are
government is
seeing
directly
it. The
responsible
people
for
of
the
Delhi, the
shortage of
people of Delhi
vaccine in
can
the
see
country.
it. The people of India can see it. You have wasted the taxpayers' money in self-promotion. When are you going to apologize for that? When you are supposed to prepare the health facility, you are spending money on advertisement. You have no local standard
Sir,
to
we are
speak
still
at all,
preparing
ma'am.
the health
This is so
facility. We
unfortunate.
have one of the
This is
best
so
health
unfortunate.
facility in the
No.
country.
Listen to me.
Delhi government
If you have
is
learned
doing
something from the
Delhi
central
government is
government,
doing pioneering work
more
as
than
far as
11.5
COVID
crore
management is
vaccination,
concerned. And it
more
is
than
not me
11
saying
crore
this. The Prime
vaccination,
Minister
ma'am.
also
Number
acknowledged
of
the
beds.
Delhi government model.
It's always easy to blame the central government. You can sit and blame the central government. पानी पी करके central government को कोसते रहिए, but कभी-कभी introspection करना भी जरूरी है. Do some introspection, ma'am.
आपने बोल लिया, अब मैं बोल लूं, गुरु प्रकाश जी.
आप कब से बोल रही थी, मैम? आप कब से बोल रही थी, मैं आपकी बीच में नहीं बोल रहा था.
आप बोलने दीजिए, आप बोले जा रहे हैं.
No. नहीं. आप जब बोल रही थी, मैं नहीं बोल रहा था.
आप मुझे ये बताइए कि देश में वैक्सीन अप्रूव करने की जिम्मेदारी किसके हाथ में है? क्या दिल्ली सरकार वैक्सीन अप्रूव कर सकती है? नहीं. आपने इनफ वैक्सीनेशंस देश में अलाउ नहीं करी. ये कारण है कि हमारा वैक्सीनेशन रेट इतना कम है. Had you allowed us vaccines in Delhi, we would have finished vaccinating Delhi in 3 months. We have been saying, give us vaccines. That is the only way to stop the spread of this virus. Vaccinate as many people as possible.
Stop doing this misinformation campaign, ma'am. India is one of the largest country. India has also vaccinated more than 11.5
No,
crore people.
you
More
have
than 11.5.
you have
More than
murdered
11.5
the
crore people
provisions
have
in the
already been administered
constitution also. I
vaccines.
You
tell
have
you.
exported the vaccines
Health
to
is
other
a state
countries
subject.
because you wanted, the Prime Minister wanted to become a wish
On
guru.
the issue of
Our
health,
own people
on
are
exporting the
dying
vaccine.
because
Trinamool and BJP.
vaccination
Bharat
now you are
has this
failing.
responsibility.
Now
Now
Bharat
you
has
are
this
driving
obligation.
everything to us.
And we are going to do that.
Now
we
you
are
are
going to do
shifting
that. The
everything
people
to
of
us,
India,
because now
the
you have
people of
failed.
India, the people
No,
of
no, I
India
want to
have
come in
faith
on
in the
now. I want to
leadership
come
of
in.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The
The people of
government
India
of
have faith in
India
the leadership of Narendra Modi.
till
People of India
6
have
months
faith in the
back
leadership of
was
Narendra Modi,
controlling
Mr.
everything.
Mandal. You
By
have
taking
no
away
local
our
standard.
constitutional
You sit
right
there
in handling
and keep
health
criticizing
issues.
Election Commission
Now
of
you
India.
have failed.
You sit there and
You are
keep
shifting
criticizing
the
the
blame
Election
to
Commission
us.
of India.
You are shifting the responsibility to the
Listen
state.
to me, Mr. Mandal.
What have you been doing?
Mr. Mandal, what have you done?
No,
What have
no,
you
no,
done?
no.
What was Jaya
You
Bachchan doing there?
you have
What was Jaya
taken
Bachchan
away our
doing there?
right to handle the
What was
health,
Jaya Bachchan
which
doing
is a
there?
constitutional
Look at
right.
me, what was Jaya
Now,
Bachchan
because
doing
you
in
have
your rally?
failed
Why
in
was Jaya Bachchan
controlling the
campaigning?
situation,
No,
you are
cannot
shifting
shift
the
goalpost
responsibility
now.
to the
You
state
cannot shift the
and still
goalpost now.
controlling the
No,
process
no.
of
You are
vaccination.
doing this. You
What
are
kind
doing
of a
this
history
misinformation
for
campaign.
hypocrisy is this? You are shifting the goalpost now.
Who
You
gave
cannot
the right
control
to
it. You
question
have
the
failed
constitutional
it.
No,
institution?
you're also.
Now you're
One
saying-
second, what is Samir Dalwai showing? Samir Dalwai on the debate, NCP. NCP's Dr. Samir Dalwai is on the debate, also wants to come in. Yes, what are you showing, sir?
Mr. Goswami,
Insulting us in the month
Mr.
of
Goswami,
April.
since
I
you've
will
clubbed me
finish this political debate
since
and
you've
then
clubbed
come.
me with the politicians, let me say for
Yes.
whatever politics
But
I'm
only
worth,
the
I completely
constitutional
support
provisions.
all your
What are you
5
talking
points
about?
as a doctor primarily. I just want to make one quick point. Can I just show this graph with your permission?
Thank you.
I just drew this myself. It's not very nice. This is the way the pandemic has panned out. This was the first wave. Look at how slowly, relatively, it rose. This is in September. And this is how much the peak was. Less than 1 lakh cases a day. That was the max. Then it petered out slowly, the so-called first wave. Then look at what happens in the first end of March and beginning of April. Now look at the speed with which this goes up. Look at the speed with which it zooms up. Look at the speed here. And look at the speed here. And look at the volume, the size. It's gone to twice the number already. We have 2 lakh cases a day. My question is, what were we doing here? What did we do in the last 15 days to prevent this surge? If
Can I
we
answer
knew
that?
that we were on such a rise,
Can I
on such an
answer that?
exponential rise,
Can I
why
answer
did we
that?
not ban these large congregations?
No, no.
Why did we not
Yes.
ban these
No, no.
political
Can I-
rallies? Why were all
Can
the
I-
respectable
can I-
politicians
can I-
of the
can I-
country attending these
Can I attempt to
rallies
answer
and all
that?
the other congregations? That's the sad part.
Can
As a
I
doctor, it
attempt to
hurts me
answer that?
To see this.
Dr.
I'm not
Dalwai, I'll
accusing
answer that and
anybody.
I'll pass it on to
I'm
the
not
panelists
accusing
here.
anybody. I'm just putting
No,
forth
no,
the
it
point
hurts
of
me
view
too.
that all of you
No, no, it
respectable
hurts me
citizens
too.
No
and ladies
It hurts me
practitioners.
too.
That's it.
No, I
Don't
will
fight with
accuse.
anybody.
No, unlike you, no, Dr. Samir Dalwai, unlike you, I'm very direct. I will accuse. And I want to make a couple of points. Again, I am already unpopular today. I'll become more unpopular among politicians.
No, you are
but
not
anyway,
unpopular
I
today
don't.
at all, Arnab. You are
I
taking up
don't
the right
quite care
cause.
about that.
I support you.
You know that
personally, and many people do.
I don't know.
I'm
I don't know.
By now, at least
Many
20
people
to
believe
30
today-
crores people should have been vaccinated. In the last 4 months, 20 to 30 crores should have been vaccinated by now. In 4
Okay,
months,
now-
20 to 30 crores at least.
Now,
That's happened. It did not happen because
Manojit,
of the
1 minute,
government
please.
of India. Wrong
Manojit.
policy.
Now, Manojit, I take your Manojit, I'll tell you one thing. I have a 2 points to make, and Ranjit is there, and Dr. Subhash Salunke is there. He knows a lot. Dr. Subhash Salunke is advisor to the government of Maharashtra on COVID, and he's a former assistant regional director of the World Health Organization Regional Office for Southeast Asia, so he knows what he's talking about. Dr. Salunke, I believe that in this period that he was talking about, which is roughly somewhere around 15th March onwards, right? 15th March onwards, we were given to believe, or people started looking at the second wave as a Maharashtra problem.
Exactly.
I'm saying it as it is.
That's the point. That's the point.
So people said, people said it's not a Bengal problem, it's not a Haryana problem, it's not a UP problem. Because in Kolkata we have only 200 cases today. And in Maharashtra there are 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 Maharashtra problem. Well, it was a Maharashtra problem. But we didn't act quick enough at a national level.
Absolutely.
It's as simple as that. And I'm saying it openly today. Viewers, tell me if you agree with me. The problem is We took too much time to react. The problem had to be nipped in the bud, Dr. Salunke, but we looked at it politically. We had a political debate on it. We didn't look at it as an incipient issue. Nip it in the bud. Am I right? Dr. Salunke, am I right?
Yeah. Arnav ji, agar aap mujhe ijazat de, and if I am getting few minutes uninterrupted, let me share with you. In the month of February, I was in Vidarbha region, Amravati, Akola, and there itself we realized that this is not a usual kind of a situation that we had seen few months earlier, and there is bound to be some variation. See, agent, host, and environment. Agent is this virus. Host we people are. Environment we know. So we were of opinion, and we wanted that it needs to be confirmed very quickly by sequencing. Unfortunately, it has taken pretty long time, and you have rightly said that. And immediately after that visit, I shared it with all the senior politicians, including Deputy CM Saab and CM Saab and everyone, that what we are heading for a serious trouble. After that, even at the national level, this is something which I shared. I said, please, for God's sake, be sure that this won't remain Maharashtra problem. Just few weeks earlier, I had made a statement, Maharashtra is burning. That doesn't mean West Bengal is not going to do that. Arnavji, today when there are 200,000 cases right now occurring in a day in India, state of multiply it by 25. That means 50 lakhs infections are occurring in this country on daily basis. And out of these, you are going to see in next fortnight, the majority is going to occur in the northern India and also in the states which are not paid any attention. The worst states that are going to be impacted is not going to be Maharashtra. Maharashtra is going to come out of it. Let me assure you, by April end, May 1st, 2nd week, we are going to have a comparatively easier situation than other states. If others, see, it is like you have seen that you are on a highway driving at 80-90 kilometers. Somebody overtakes you with 100 kilometers. There is an oil patch. He goes through that and his car is toppled, and you still don't control your speed. You are idiot. So I think most of the people who do not use control measures at this stage will be labeled by you in more blunter fashion than what I'm saying. But we are a wonderful country and we have wonderful leaders. In last so many decades, we have not paid any attention to the public health. So this is the reality. Irrespective of the party, irrespective of the government, what we are facing today is the sins of our earlier non-planning for public health in this country. At least now let us plan. Last point I'll make very quickly. This virus is not going to go away. This is going to become endemic. Exactly. This virus is going to remain here for minimum 3 to 5 years. The virus will disappear only if virus wants it, not any politician or any political party wants it. That is the situation. But any country who wants to be really superpower must plan how to control the situation in the third wave, fourth wave, and also how do we tackle this particular pandemic, which is going to linger for a longer time. If we don't plan it now, well, I said wonderful people, wonderful politicians, but you can use whatever adjective that you think suitable. Thank you.
No, thank you, Dr. Salunke. You see, I think what we are not looking into is the anger among the people today. And based upon, and the most unfortunate thing will be today, and I'm going to sternly say it will be terrible if you or anyone watching the program decide to take a position based upon whether you are a Aam Aadmi Party supporter or a BJP supporter or a Trinamool supporter. Because the problem is we have got only, which party you support has nothing to do with the impact of the virus. That's what politicians would like us to do. Politicians, Ranjit, would like us to say, let's support the central government, attack the state government if you're a BJP supporter. That's going to be wrong. or let's be critical of a state government, support entirely the central government for it. That's also wrong. Nobody is completely correct. If we had been completely correct, Ranjit, we would not be in this situation today. So I have only put a 3-point plan, and I'm going to push for this, Ranjit. One, however impractical people think Republic Network is, and some people are saying, are you a doctor? Are you an epidemiologist? I'm not. But I can tell you this. This is a practical solution. Massively increase the fines, penalize people like crazy. Right? Secondly, you spend national resources on a lot of things. This time spend it on pay double the price but get the vaccines home. Ensure universal vaccination. Vaccinate the young. Vaccinate the mobile. Vaccinate the working people. And third, politicians step forth and stop the crowds. If we all show the ability to implement these 3 measures, Ranjit, we can do a lot. And thirdly, have a national task force on it that's working in a different way. This federalization of the fight against COVID is not going to help. You cannot, we are a mobile country, you can't have a different set of rules in Delhi or Kerala. Ranjit, this is all I have to say. Now, what can you do, Ranjit? What can we do to put the pressure on the political classes?
I couldn't have agreed more on what you said, Arnabji, but with 136 crore human life at stake, the last thing that a citizen of this country would want is having political parties on national television, blaming each other. With elections or without elections, people who are representing their respective political parties needs to understand that independent bodies have said there are going to be like 2 lakh corona cases every day by May end and 2,000 deaths. Please understand that, with elections or without election, this is going to happen. So if you think your polity is important, if you think the face value of your politicians are important, then it is high time that you open your eyes and accept the reality. Now, please understand that this is not about a 9-window election. Nobody is asking you to postpone elections, but this is also about setting up the wrong precedent. Each of the political leaders, they're setting up the wrong precedent by going out in to every place, setting up the wrong examples by not using a mask, saying that it is the face value of the politician that really matters in an election. Now, all of you need to everybody is talking about vaccination, but there is a practical difficulty in vaccinating all the people. For example, if you look at Covishield, Serum Institute has openly come out and said that they cannot produce more than probably 2 million vaccines every day. And they require the fund. They require 3,000 crores. They have submitted the
world here and vaccinate everyone.
Pipeline. Things are not going to
open up vaccination for all. Don't ration vaccinations.
But the most
Ranjit. But I am saying what you can or cannot do is one thing. But why are we rationing
this country needs to understand?
Why are we rationing it going to the Nehru
era? Very important. Self-management. Self-management is also very, very important. Don't celebrate birthdays as if there is not going to be any birthday from next year.
No, we'll deal with all either. It's not one at the cost of the other, Ranjit. Ranjit, sorry. Ranjit, listen.
What I'm saying is,
I'm saying one
please
thing.
add.
Suppose Ranjit Keshav gets the virus. No, one second. No, one second. Suppose Ranjit Keshav gets the virus. Does that mean he will not be responsible? Does that mean he will not be fined? No. It's not one at the cost of the other. I am sorry. I am not liking the federal spirit of the fight against COVID. This is passing the buck.
Arnavji, see, even if you are getting vaccinated,
you want a district magistrate or a superintendent of police to decide the fight against COVID?
So all I'm saying is let the politicians set the right example in terms of self-management, because that is what is going to get the numbers down in the next 4 to 5 months, and it is not going to be the vaccination.
Exactly.
And that is the reality.
Tell Guru
so
that.
Why is it that the politicians are setting up a wrong example is what I am asking. Because people look up to these politicians. When they go out in the public, when they are conducting rallies, when they are talking to people, please don't set the wrong example. It is not easy for a citizen of this country to come and see a national debate where the anchor is trying so hard to put some sense into the politician's mind, where politicians are coming and they're just trying to do mudslinging, they're trying to politically blame each other, and that is the last thing that a citizen of this country would want. We want to see some accountability.
Answer,
We
Monoji.
want to see some self-management from the politician side. So nobody's asking you to postpone the elections. Go and fight your elections. Go and put your Neta's face everywhere that you want. But then please wear your mask. Please ask your followers to maintain social distancing. There are enough templates everywhere. North Korea template is there. Sri Lanka template is there. But this is India. This is India, right? Where the polity, the Indian politics and the face value is much above 136 crore human life. And that is the pathetic state that we are in. And that is the pathetic state that we are in. So please don't set the wrong example. Please don't set the wrong precedent for this country.
Let me explain. No, I want a commitment. I'm saying this here tonight. You ask the BJP and the Trinamool, they will do pehle aap tonight.
I'll take this. I'll take this. I'll take this, Arnab. You see, statistically speaking, the elections rallies are being held from the month of December. Arnab, I'm giving you the facts. You have been here since the month of March. When do we see the rise in cases? In the last 1 week only. By the end of March, Bengal was almost COVID-free. It's only from the month of April and especially in the last 1 week we are seeing the rising. And still, it's not alarming number, but we are very, very cautious. We are extremely cautious and we are getting the good results
not
because
alarming.
of Mamtadi's works in the last 6-7 months or 1 year too. People are very much cautious and that's why...
There goes.
No. 5,000 is not an alarming
There
number
goes.
considering the fact that what is happening in Maharashtra.
Sir, if you
Without
invite
raising yourself.
100,000 people for a rally, then a common citizen will invite thousands of people for their wedding.
Stop being complacent. Stop being complacent. Stop being complacent.
Your leader,
The health infrastructure in Bengal is also already stretched to the limit.
Mutated virus has already entered in Bengal. Please.
To finish off with
Dr. Dr. Salunke wants to ask you something, Monojit.
the election commission
Please, my dear sir, please listen to me.
Dr. Salunke wants to say something to you.
Carefully, listen to me carefully. 5,000 number is not a significant. Listen to me, my dear sir. What kind of an surveillance system that we have in your state is first question. Number two, how much reporting it is taking? Second question. Number three, in last few weeks, let me complete, sir. The last few weeks, the mutated virus is getting transmitted into different state. पंजाब में है, यूपी में है, बंगाल में है, और अभी 5,000 cases आपको बहुत कम लग रहे हैं. God willing, it should remain low, but nobody can guarantee. Asymptomatic carriers, which are 80%, which you do not know, will play a very havoking role in the in your state. That please be on the safer side rather than being complacent. Be on the correct. Please prepare yourself, sir. We are only suggesting that every state in the country must start preparing very actively.
You can't say this. We are very much, we are not at all complacent. We are very much prepared and are preparing.
You are saying that it is only 5,000. That number may be small now, but exponential increase may take place. So take care. That's all. We are only requesting you that this is going to get exponentially increased.
In the context of election, I was only saying our proposal is that let the election commission.
Yes, I am saying in the context of elections
as soon as possible. Meaning finish off the.
Okay. Now, do you have a?
Why can't they do it?
Okay, I'll open up. Barnali,
That's what you're saying.
Barnali. You know you are playing. You are batting defensively. Monojit. Today, I want to tell you, even the Calcutta High Court has called for strict enforcement of norms, and the Calcutta High Court has said we are dealing with an extraordinary situation and this calls for extraordinary measures. The words of the Calcutta High Court, right? On 13th April, I need you to understand that you are not being responsible enough. You meaning all political parties. I'm saying it today. I'm pointing the finger. I think all of you are being irresponsible.
Why should what? No. Please suggest.
So can I? You didn't hear me? Okay, I'll tell you the extraordinary measures. Since you asked the question, I'll answer you. Don't repeat your question. Don't repeat your question. Don't repeat your question. I'm a man of above average intelligence. I get it the first time.
No, please suggest.
I am a man of above average intelligence. I get it the first time. I'm telling you the measures. Okay, I'm telling you the measures. Okay, I'm saying I'm putting the measures out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I know you are.
Are you wait? No, you first listen. The problem with you is, since you became a politician, you were a nice man earlier. You used to be a nice man when you came in earlier. You were completely different. Now there has been a personality transformation, and you are now repeating everything 3 times. My question. I'm saying here today. I'm saying here today. Just calm down, everyone.
That 5,000
Calm.
is
Now
not
my
a
point
number.
is-
Are you actually waiting for the number to rise?
Suggest.
Respected member of TMC, you're saying that 5,000 is hardly a number. Are you waiting
Please, madam,
for the number to rise?
in a particular context. Don't get worked up. We are not fighting with each other. This is not an issue to fight
You
over.
are
This is not an
telling
issue
me
to fight
not
over.
to
Don't
get worked up. Have you seen the
I was saying
situation
this
of
in
a country? And can you
Please,
sleep
Arnav,
in
suggest
peace?
the measure, then
You're
I'll have a
saying don't
counter.
get worked up. But can you sleep in peace?
Don't get worked up.
Can you
Don't get
sleep in
worked up.
peace?
No,
And
no,
you're
this is
asking
nothing
me not to
personal.
get worked
Please,
up? Have you
please.
seen the situation of
I
the
was
country
saying
when
this in a
every day
context.
people are dying?
Now, please. You don't have to shout at me.
And
Please,
what
you
is
don't
the
have to
state
shout
of
at
your
me.
West Bengal?
You
Are
don't
you
have to
waiting
shout
for
at
people
me.
to just
You ask the
die?
government of India what they are doing. Are you asking the government of
What
India what they have
government
been
of
doing in the
India? It is in your
vaccination?
state that the
Are
elections
you
are
asking
going
the
on.
government of India what they are doing in the
Strict
vaccination?
protocols should be followed
the
in
last
all
4
the
months?
states, and including Bengal. Bengal is no exception just because
So
it's
what?
fighting an
That's
election.
what I said, only 5,000
Just because it's
cases.
contesting an election, it is
You are
no
a biased
exception.
political analyst. You are a biased political analyst. This is happening only because of government of India's wrong policies. What are you talking about?
I never
what was
said.
the the vaccination
I
in the last
said that
4 months?
collectively,
They have done
all
only
the
10
please
crores of
listen to
vaccination.
me.
It should have
Please
been 20 to
kindly
30 crores
listen
by
to
now.
me. Instead of shouting, kindly listen
Yes,
to me.
now you say
All the
collectively.
government should
It
put
is
their
being
hands
controlled
together.
entirely
They
by
should
the
join
government
hands
of
together.
India.
It is not about
For
TMC
the last
and Aam
1
Aadmi
year,
Party
the whole
or
issue of
BJP.
pandemic is being
I don't
entirely
like this
contested
passing
by
the
the
buck,
government of India.
You
They
know,
wanted to take credit for
Manojit,
this.
I think,
Only one man would
allow
be
me,
taking
allow
credit.
me,
You think
allow
the
me,
government
Bornali,
should come together and fight this?
Bornali, Bornali, as I said it before, Manojit, please don't be impolite beyond a point. Thank you very much. Bornali, you don't have to be impolite to Bornali beyond a point, okay? Let's debate
cannot
peacefully.
extrapolate. I'm
My
not
question here is,
impolite.
1 minute, you've said it. Now hear me. Now hear me. There's also Sunil Alak. There are other people who are also wise and experienced on the program tonight. They are not going to be deferential to you. They are not going to be deferential to you. You don't have a monopoly on all the right issues in Bengal. You don't own Bengal either. Have you got some feeling that you are the owner of Bengal? Are you the owner of Bengal?
Exactly.
You own Bengal.
That is the point.
No, don't.
Nobody can have an opinion on anything in Bengal.
Why are you putting words into my mouth? Why are you
Do
putting
you own
words into my
Bengal?
mouth?
Do you own Bengal? He is telling you that the number of 5,000 should cause concern to you. There is no need for you to blow your views on that.
Did you?
There is no need. Nobody is singling out anything. You have not even heard the debate so far. What are you talking about? Don't try and twist it. Now I have with me Sunil Alak. Sunil Alak, the problem is, as I said earlier, thank you. The problem is, as I said earlier, that you have to nip it in the bud. But the problem also is in this country that you have to keep cajoling, requesting, pleading, nip it in the bud, for God's sake. We didn't nip it in the bud in Maharashtra, it went national. Now 5,000 cases in Maharashtra, in Bengal or more. You know how many cases there were till 1 month back, Manojit? 100, 200. So you could have nipped it in the bud then.
You know, you're
And do you want to fool yourself and believe everybody is being reported?
Protocol from the beginning. The pandemic did not vanish.
Sunil Alak.
By vaccinating people.
we have to stop
That should have been
blame
done.
game amongst political
vaccinating
parties,
people
amongst
first.
all of us. We have to have a view now
Why
that
didn't you
as
vaccinate
all
the
political
people?
parties
It
have
should
to
have
join
been ramped
together
up.
and all of us have to join together and deal with this problem. What has to be done is to be done all together. You know, I think the question on which was raised earlier on corporates getting involved, I think the person who said that he got a few corporates, that's wrong. We have written a number of large letters and no government response has come in. Leave it to the corporates, leave it to the individuals, and all the political parties have to stop blaming each other and blaming the country. Look, we are alive today because of ourselves, and we must take the problem in our hands. And what you have suggested, Arnab, is brilliant. And what we have to do along with that, I've suggested 1 or 2 things. Go in for a micro-analysis.
I'm repeating
go
tonight.
in for everything and
Arnabji,
tackle those
I'm
problems
repeating
going
tonight
forward
and
Arnabji, just 20 seconds, please.
Samir, Samir,
20 seconds.
Yeah, yes. Yes, Samir.
May I?
Yes, Samir.
Yeah. So Arnabji, I want to request
Yes,
you. I
Samir.
support all your 5 points. I would request you to make it a 5.5 point demand. And the remaining half point is, we have been pleading with the central government and Honorable Health Minister to allow all pediatricians to vaccinate adults for COVID, because that will be a game changer. We have 30,000 pediatricians. Give them 1,000 doses each. They already have a cold chain. So overnight, and people trust pediatricians for vaccination. So overnight, that can be a big improvement that can happen across the country.
You said that yesterday as well, and I back you on that. No, we'll back you on that.
I would request
we
you
back
to
you
take
on
this up.
that completely. We back you on that completely. Now, I want to create a digital campaign. So here's what we'll do. COVID awareness, we will do on the Republic Media Network, on Republic TV, as I said, free of cost. We'll start executing this by this weekend. So we are going to put our money where our mouth is. So effectively, Republic Network is putting in its own hard-earned money into a public awareness campaign, which we are going to put out at zero commercial cost on our network. That's my personal commitment tonight. Personal commitment. And the second thing which I will do is let us create a pool where politicians, citizens, everybody comes together. My 3-point action plan, on which I will add 2 more. We'll put it on Republic World. We'll ask for a campaign. We do charters and fight for so many issues. Let's fight for ourselves, viewers. The people of India, let us fight for ourselves now. Universal vaccination, vaccinate the young, increase the penalties and stop the crowds, and let politicians be forced to become responsible to us, the people of India. Our charter will be out on Republic World by about tomorrow afternoon. We'll put details out, viewers. Join us in this fight. On the other side, 2 big debates, including the civil war in Pakistan. Back in a few minutes.